got to.
Let us get a couple slides.
Let us get a couple slides so you call the people.
Man, that's your main car, man. Fuck all that calling people, man.
I got my Nigo. My Nigo fixed this for $500.
Damn.
In a pack of cigarettes.
Bitch, I'm gangsta, get up with me, cause ain't no nigga that I feel. Draco do magic, how I make him disappear. No matter where I go, it's like I feel the devil now.
What's good, y'all? We back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, man, we got a car meet. We got a car meet going on tonight. Y'all see the drip, whatever. Slight shit, stack jeans with the GDWeedies over there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Look, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. I know we've been gone for a couple of days, but look, man, we're coming bigger, better, and better content for y'all. So yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, cause y'all don't want to miss this. And yeah, man, you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, what?
Headlight came out. That boy headlight came out, boy.
What came on?
His headlight. That boy said, fuck that headlight. Hey, hey, why that nigga like Dwayne in that bitch? I'm thinking, Dwayne, what the fuck you doing in that bitch? What up, Jay? All right now, baby. Look, just like that, man. Yeah, man.
Nigga say we do
Money
this shit.
you heard? Yeah, we
First
do this
time.
shit.
This our second time.
You hear me? Look at all them people. Look at all them peoples. That boy headlight came off.
Hey, what? Man, where the camera at?
Oh, no.
They talking.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Nigga got scared, you couldn't see shit. You don't know what's gonna come.
Oh, that been nice. That rainbow bitch.
That's Treyway.
That's not Treyway.
That's Treyway. That's Widebody.
Get the city out! What the fuck?
Yeah.
Motherfuckers ain't blocking shit.
Hey, they want the police to come through this. Oh, shit, what that is over there, you heard me? cameras. Police and them be looking for them. Loader, go out there with the Widebody cat. Yeah.
Two in that bitch. One time and get the fuck out that bitch. In that bitch, wait, what happened?
I got it, I seen it.
We tell her what? I can't slide on her.
Trey, what's that? Don't slide.
Don't slide. No police?
No, ain't no police.
I just started it over up.
That's all Cam.
Cam, no job, man.
Treyway said he don't do this shit no more. Treyway said he too pretty.
I'm gonna rip that bitch so bad. You know that's no.
Come on, B. Smoking this bitch. Where you at? What tire?
Time on outside, you gonna lose that bitch and fuck somebody shit up. You ain't got no fucking. They ain't going. No, they ain't.
You did your shit? You did your shit, B?
Yeah. I smoke down there all my time.
Fuck it.
Somebody still burning.
Fuck it, B. Where he at? I don't think he ain't gonna do it. He got he got Ching Ching Wan Wan with him right now. He ain't gonna do it.
Let me out this thing. You lied. Stop capping. You lied.
Tony.
Yo.
Oh, Tony, you can't get in the pit, Tony.
No.
Can't, Tony. No. MJ, go get in the pit, MJ. Fuck it.
Wish I could get in there.
Bow. Jeremy doing the TikTok dance. Oh, why the fuck I'm... Oh, this is about my third time for to get hit. Oh, they trying to block this bitch. Oh, fuck. No, they trying to block this bitch. Man, they got the helicopter and everything out here, man. Oh, them bitches deep, man. Come on, go. Them bitches blocking everywhere. I'm scared to walk around this bitch. They just snaking shit. He got to.
Let's get a couple flies in.
Let us get a couple flies so you call the people.
Man, that's your main call, man. Fuck all that. Call the people, man.
Over with.
I'll call the fucking people.
No, don't call him.
Man, call the people, man. God,
I got my little Nigo. My Nigo fixed this for $500.
damn.
In a pack of cigarettes.
Oh, shit.
God
damn it, B. Damn, man, it came. Oh, shit, B. Go get him, B. Oh, yeah, these you nice over with. Oh, they over with, BB. Oh, shit. B almost got hit. B almost got hit, B. Oh, shit, B, they came up. Oh, shit. Yes. Act a fool then. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hold on, B.